So this was a fun little find. My mother-in-law remodeled her kitchen and she had an InShot in her sink, and of course I took it because I saw this chunk of copper and then of course a cord. But then all I had to do was remove one little nut that was on the front here and open it up, and the whole thing is copper. So if you find any InShots in kitchen sinks, grab them, because it was just this little plastic thing. I lifted this up, opened it up, and I have a nice chunk of copper. Super, super easy. Yay! And there's a little piece of brass here on the end. And then I'll just have to clean up, which will be easy to do, those little pieces right there. So that's a quick and easy copper find. Okay, I thought this was kind of interesting, so I would share it with you. Most people have heard of, how to tell the difference between stainless and aluminum. And again, this is just what I think. I am not necessarily right, but you can tell by the sound. So aluminum is dull, stainless is more pingy. So here we go, stainless. And then inside I have a piece of aluminum. Tonk. Ting. Tonk. Then on side of I got this, and it's got both. So this is stainless. Oh, you can't hear it unless I'm holding on to it. Let's see. Ooh. Tink. Donk.